Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to talk about chemistry elements, vocabulary, and phrasal verbs. Do you remember these chemistry elements? Like oxygen, gold, carbon, iron, nitrogen, sodium, silver, hydrogen. Well, of course, there are a lot of chemistry elements, right? But we're going to talk especially about the ones I mentioned. Let's see. In one second, we are gonna learn how to define those chemistry elements. Please wait for. Well, students, let's talk about those chemistry elements that I told you. Today we're gonna see the definitions for some of them, right? We have, for example, oxygen. How do we define these chemistry elements? Well, first of all, let me tell you that this is the symbol, okay? The symbol of oxygen. And I suppose you know it because you study chemistry in Spanish, right? So we have the definition: a colorless, odorless gas element that is about 1/5 of the volume of the atmosphere and is present in a combined state in nature. One more time, yeah? I'm going to read it one more time. A colorless, odorless gas element that is about 1/5 of the volume of the atmosphere and is present in a combined state in nature. So let's check the meaning of some words here in the definition, right? We have, for example, colorless. What's the meaning of colorless? It means without color, no color, right? Without color, sin color, right? Now, next word that maybe is kind of difficult for you, odorless. Odorless means without no, without smell, right? Without smell, sin olor, right? So, okay, I think odorless. Let's see what other word is difficult for you. That is about 1/5. 1/5. 1/5. It means un quinto, okay? Un quinto, right? It's a kind of mathematical sign. 1/5 of the volume of the atmosphere and is present in a combined state in nature. State means estado, no? It can be a solid, gaseous, right? Well, nature, you know. Let's continue with the definition for nitrogen. How do we define the word or the chemistry element, sorry, nitrogen? Well, you can pronounce it also nitrogen, no problem. Huh? It has two pronunciations, nitrogen or nitrogen, right? It's acceptable. So you can say both ways, nitrogen or nitrogen. Remember. Well, the symbol for nitrogen or nitrogen is N, right? According to the table, right, of elements. Let's see here, a colorless, odorless, gaseous element that makes up about 4/5 of the Earth's atmosphere and is found in animal and vegetable tissues. Again, yeah, no problem. Let's see. A colorless, odorless gaseous element that makes up about 4/5 of the Earth's atmosphere and is found in animal and vegetable tissues, right? Well, colorless, remember? Yeah, without color, no? Without color, right? And odorless, without smell, okay? Without smell. Colorless, odorless, the same words. Gaseous element that makes up. That makes up. It means that forms, okay? That forms, that constructs, que forma, que copa, okay? About 4/5. So, observe here, 1/5, dijimos que era un quinto, ¿verdad? Entonces, 4/5 será, yes, Okay, you understand, no? 4/5 of the Earth's atmosphere, and is found in animal and vegetable tissues. And is found. Do you remember this verb, found? Is the past tense of the verb find, el pasado del verbo find, encontrar. Entonces aquí se entiende como y es encontrado, ¿ok? And is found in animal and vegetable tissues. Tissues. ¿Se acuerdan de la clase de human anatomy? Okay? We observe this word here, tissues. Okay, if you don't remember, please come back to the human anatomy lesson and check this word. Si no recuerda muy bien, regresen a la clase de anatomía humana y se van a dar cuenta del significado de la palabra tissues. Okay? Please. Next word, let's see. Next chemistry element. Carbon. Well, the symbol for carbon is C, right? Let's see. And the definition, let's see what it says. An element combined with other elements in all organic matter and found in a pure form as diamond and graphite. An element combined with other elements in all organic matter and found in a pure form as diamond and graphite. Let's try to understand this meaning, okay, about carbon. Well, it says an element combine, mix, right? Mix, with other elements in all organic matter. Organic matter. Materia orgánica, okay? In all organic matter. And found, right? Found in a pure form. Pure form, it means forma pura, okay? As diamond and graphite. Diamond means diamante, right? And graphite, grafito. Okay, well, let's continue with the definition for the chemistry element sodium, right? Sodium. What about sodium? Let's see what it says on the definition here. Well, first of all, the symbol is Na. Na. Let's read. A soft, silver-white, chemically active metallic element that occurs naturally only in combination. A soft, silver-white, chemically active metallic element that occurs naturally only in combination. Well, let's try to understand, right, this part. A soft is the opposite of hard, lo opuesto de hard. ¿Qué es hard? Duro, ¿no? Fuerte. Soft sería entonces suave, ¿ok? Soft. Silver white. Silver white is a color, ¿ok? In this case, color gris. Claro, sí, parecido a gray, ¿no? En todo caso, como el gray. Silver white. Chemically active metallic element that occurs naturally only in combination. Okay, only means tan solo, okay? Tan solo, only. Well, students, we finish describing or defining the first four elements, no? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and sodium. We will continue with other definitions, 4 more elements in some more videos, right? Please, we have to repair the board at this time, right? Okay, students, well, let's continue with our lesson, right? So now we're going to see the definitions for the next chemistry elements like hydrogen, gold, silver, and iron, right? Hydrogen, gold, silver, and iron. So let's read the definitions of these chemistry elements. Hydrogen, well, the symbol is H, right? And it says a colorless, odorless gas that burns easily and combines chemically with oxygen to form water. Again, one more time. A colorless, odorless gas that burns easily and combines chemically with oxygen to form water. So remember, colorless, right? Without color, no color. Odorless, without smell. Without smell. That burns, burns, burns. Yeah. Do you remember the lesson of facts about the universe? ¿Recuerdan la lección acerca de hechos sobre el universo? Aparecía la palabra, bueno, no exactamente burns, decía burning, burning. Aquí tenemos burn, right? Burn, que es el verbo quemar, ¿ok? Quemar. That burns easily and combines chemically with oxygen to form water. Well, I think everything is correct here on this definition. Now, let's continue with God. God, what's the definition for God? The symbol, AU. Okay, let's read. A precious yellow metal element that is easy to shape and does not corrode easily. A precious yellow metal element that is easy to shape and does not corrode easily. What are we saying here? Let's see. A precious yellow metal, right? Let's see. Yellow, the color, right? The color. That's good. Precious. Okay. You understand it, really? That is easy to shape. To shape. To shape. It means darle forma. Okay, de darle forma. To shape and does not corrode easily. Corrode. It means, right, corroer. Corroer, okay, corrode. Well, I think everything is clear on this second definition. Now, let's continue with silver. How about the definition for silver? Let's see. Silver, the symbol, AG, right? AG. Now, let's continue reading here. A white ductile metallic element used for making mirrors, coins, ornaments, table utensils, conductors, etc. Right? One more time. Let's see. A white ductile metallic element used for making mirrors, coins, ornaments, table utensils, conductors, etc. No, etc. Right? So let's check the meaning here. A white ductile metallic element. Ductile. Well, white is the color, no? White is the color. Ductile, yeah, like in Spanish, no? Ductile, huh? Flexible, right? Flexible, no? Used for making mirrors. Mirrors. When you look at the face, you comb your hair, right? So the mirror, espejo, that's good. Mirrors, coins, right? Monedas, really? Coins, ornaments, table utensils, no? Table utensils. Fork, spoon, knife, right? So those are utensils. Conductors, it means conductores, not drivers, no conductores de vehículos, no. Conductores de energía, no? Okay? Right? Conductors. Well, let's continue with the final chemistry element. Let's say iron. Iron. Symbol. Fe, right? Fe. How about the definition? It says, a silver white metallic element used in some forms for making steel, tools, implements, machinery, etc. or etc. Right? One more time, okay? One more time. A silver white metallic element used in some forms for making steel, tools, implements, machinery, etc. So let's check the meaning here in a fast way. A silver white, remember? Silver white, gray color, right? Gray color. We did it just a minute ago. Lo hicimos hace un momento, ¿verdad, chicos? Metallic element used in some forms for making steel. Steel, it means acero, okay? Steel. Tools, herramientas, tools. implements, machinery, etc. Well, I hope you have understood this lesson, dear students. We will continue with our lesson in some minutes more. Now we're going to check some phrasal verbs, right, in order to make a relation with this topic. So please wait for a couple of seconds, please. Well, students, let's continue with our lesson. Now we are going to check phrasal verbs, right? We are going to observe phrasal verbs like taking, okay, taking. That means, okay, this word in Spanish, right? Now we have take back, take back, take back. It means to return, no? To return. Take two, take two. To start like something, no? To start to like something. Take up, take up. To start something new. To start something new. Take down, take down. To, well, to write down, to note down. Now we have take after, take after. To start to like somebody, right? Physically, or yeah, especially about that physically. That's good. Well, so one more time, one more time. Taking, take back, take to, take up, take down, and take offer. Well, we're going to observe examples, ¿no? Examples with those phrasal verbs. En primer lugar, déjame decirles que son los phrasal verbs, chicos. Los phrasal verbs son verbos frasales o verbos compuestos, ¿no? Aquí, observen, tenemos en especial el verbo take, ¿no? Take, take, ¿sí? Pero tenemos take in, por ejemplo. In es una preposición, ¿verdad? Preposition. Entonces, estamos observando que take va unido a in, ¿no? Take back. Back también es una preposición. To, de igual modo. Up, de igual modo. Down and after, ¿no? Entonces, los phrasal verbs son verbos compuestos donde prácticamente se une un verbo con una preposición, ¿sí? A eso se les llama como verbos frasales. Y estos verbos frasales son bastante usados, digamos, en el inglés, y sus significados, en todo caso, pueden ser variados en realidad. Bueno, aquí vamos a ver cada uno de estos verbos frasales con sus significados de acuerdo al contexto, ¿sí? Poco a poco van a ir descubriendo más adelante otros significados que tienen estos verbos frasales. Well, let's see. Let's start checking the examples. No, it says number one, most plants taking water through their roots. Most plants taking water through their roots. Now let's see. Taking, remember, to absorb. Most plants absorb or taking water through their roots. Through. It means a través de, okay? A través de. And roots means raíces, ¿sí? Raíces. So we have most plants taking water, most plants absorb water through their roots, right? Now let's continue with sentence number two. Sentence number two says, Jane has recently taken up insect collecting. Jane has recently taken up insect collecting. Well, taken up, it comes from take up, right? Take up, to start something new. So it means Jane has recently taken up. Jane ha empezado recientemente, ¿no? insect collecting. Right. Number 3. Sentence number 3. Let's see. The students were taking down the important information during the biology lesson. The students were taking down the important information during the biology lesson. Taking down. Take down, right? To write down, to note down. So we have here the students were taking down, estuvieron anotando, ¿verdad? Were, past tense. Were means past tense, ¿no? Tiempo pasado, ¿verdad? Por lo tanto, se traduce como estuvieron anotando. The important information during the biology lesson. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now, number 4. Sentence number 4. I take after my father, who is very curious by nature as well. I take after my father, who is very curious by nature as well. Take after. Take after means, okay, to start, to like, to a person, right? Maybe in your family, or, yeah, it says here, for example, I take after, me parezco a mi padre, ¿no? Who is very curious by nature as well. Nature, naturaleza, okay? And as well, así como, ¿no? También. That's good. Well, number 5, sentence number 5. James had to take back the book he borrowed from the library. James had to take back the book he borrowed from the library. So it says here, James tuvo que take back. Take back. What is take back? Here, no? Yeah, to return something, no? So tuvo que devolver, right? To take back the book he borrowed, que se prestó, from the library, right? Library, the place where you go and read books. Remember? Library, biblioteca. Yes, biblioteca. That's good. So number 6, sentence number 6. We all took to our chemistry teacher immediately. We all took to our chemistry teacher immediately. What it says here? Nosotros took to. What about took to? It comes from take to, no? Yeah, to start, to get accustomed, right? To a new, or to something. It says, nosotros nos acostumbramos, okay, our chemistry teacher immediately. So, as you can observe, those phrasal verbs go in different tenses. Como pueden ver, estos verbos frasales no siempre van en tiempo presente, ¿no? Tienen que darse cuenta de que vayan en diferentes tiempos de acuerdo al contexto, a la oración, ¿no? En el primer caso, observemos, most plants taking water through the roots. Está en tiempo presente, ¿no? Right? Taking, absorben, taking water through the roots. Jane has recently taken up. Aquí lo tenemos en present perfect tense, en el tiempo presente perfecto. ¿Por qué? Porque estamos usando aquí el has, ¿no? Que significa en este caso, bueno, hemos, han, de acuerdo a la persona. En este caso es Jane, ¿no? Jane ha, yes, empezado algo nuevo recientemente. Taken viene de la tercera lista de los verbos en pasado participio. Past participle form, right? Hay que fijarse entonces las 3 columnas, ¿no? De la lista de verbos. In base form, in past tense, and in past participle, okay? So be careful here. Let's continue with number 3. The students were taking down. Aquí estamos escribiendo el verbo frasal taking down en este caso en pasado continuo, ¿no? Past continuous. ¿Por qué? Porque acá tenemos el verbo to be en pasado, were. The students were, ¿no? Los estudiantes estuvieron, por lo tanto, past continuous form, right? Cuando hablamos de past continuous, pasado continuo, es que tenemos que agregarle ing al verbo, okay? Well, let's continue with example number 4. I take after my father, who is very curious by nature as well. Aquí tenemos nuevamente el verbo frasal en simple present tense, ¿no? En tiempo presente simple. Porque bueno, la oración me da a entender de que el tiempo que debo usar es simple present tense. Number 5. James had to take back the book he borrowed from the library. Aquí estamos usando el verbo frasal take back nuevamente en su forma base o simple present form, right? James tuvo que, ¿no? Aquí estamos hablando de, si bien es cierto, el had en otro contexto significa tuvo, o tuvimos, o tuvieron, ¿sí? Como tiempo pasado, pero aquí estamos hablando de obligación, no de posesión, ¿ok? No de posesión, sino de obligación, de deber, por lo tanto,